All right, are you all ready for a lot more videos? Yeah, I've been busy making grow boxes and I really haven't had a chance to put any videos up. I really miss you guys. I shot a lot of footage over the spring. I just haven't had time to edit it and get it up here on YouTube. So now that it's like 100 degrees and sales are kind of slopped off a little bit and slowed down, I've got time to edit some. So I've got a lot of videos coming in the next couple of weeks, maybe even the next month, depends on how much footage I got. But you know, this was a little hard to source. Most hardware stores have a lot of gutters, but you put gutters all around your house and you only put a couple downspouts on there, right? So it was kind of hard to source this. I had to go to like every hardware store within like 30-mile radius, and I was running all over the place trying to find them. Now, this food grade container I just ordered from somebody online, so I can order 100 of those, and in a couple of days they can be on my doorstep, and that just saves me a whole lot of time. So now that I've got some extra time, going back, getting all my footage of what I grew over the spring, gonna edit that, put it up there for you. Right now, the garden's a wreck because we really didn't feel like coming out here when the heat index was over 100 and doing any work. So we've got to get out here and mulch. We're gonna switch some stuff up for the fall. I'll walk you around, tell you what we got in store. And just like this container right here, this is another one we're experimenting with. You can see it's foam, it's insulated. Even though the temperature's around 100, we're growing some little pak choi. These little tender guys are doing all right out here. We're gonna see how that goes. I'll make a video of that and show you how I made this. This was the first experimental one. I made some changes since then, but you can see, you know, where we started with. That's just a little rock holding the top on. That video will be coming. If you guys saw my video on sweet potato leaves and notice it disappeared, I had something in the background when I edited it that wasn't supposed to be there, so I had to take it down. I'm going to re-edit that and put it up, and it might be all for the better because now they've grown a couple of weeks. So you can see we'll have the video. It was just when I started it, and now I actually have the video of it full grown and up to harvest. And I know I keep saying we're going to put out recipes, we never get around to it, but that's going to be coming up really soon. Lots more of exciting stuff, so let's get at it. Let's take a walk around the garden. I'll tell you a little bit about what's heading your way. We're going to try and do something in here. Dropped a little dill seeds. They started to sprout. And I got all these little mushrooms in that too. So I might let this kind of decompose a little bit more.